And here's the new kitchen. Here's the new cabinet. Open a cabinet, Grandma.
Open the cabinet.
Show them.
Oh, Tupperware.
Look at those beautiful cabinets in there.
Oh, look at here.
Here's the one in the corner. Look at all that room. Here, do one of those down there where you pull that shelf out.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Just easy.
Piece of pie.
Piece of pie. Oh, Lazy Susan.
A Lazy Susan. Gold medal flower.
Here. Red drawer still in the same place. But we got a cover on it now.
Hey.
Hey. Cupboards up here. They're clean. Oh, look at here. On the other side of the stove, a little drawer for pot holders, cookie sheets, trays, coffee pot up here. Oh, bread cutting board. Oh, another sliding out.
Sliding out thing.
Just.
And look at the microwave up there. Doesn't that look nice?
We don't have the ceramic on the walls yet. We're going to get that. Here is spice rack.
Spice rack. Isn't that fancy?
I have to put the shelves back here. They aren't here yet. Oh.
Look at that molding up there on the top. Isn't that pretty?
Look at my beautiful paper.
Okay,
this is Boo's place.
There's the booze. Oh, let's break some of that out.
Yeah. It's not Christmas. We're going to put new molding around some of the doors we needed. New floor. Did you show them the floor?
Oh yeah.
We haven't.
There's the floor. Do a tap dance.
Dude. My dress was my sneakers. I was going to help Connie get some apples. Oh, we don't have the dishwasher back in yet.
Here's the wallpaper.
Wallpaper. We don't have all the stuff back on the walls.
Here, let's go into the bathroom.
Oh, bathroom.
Walking now into the bathroom.
Should we turn the light on?
Well, let's leave it off for a second.
Okay.
We'll leave it off and then we'll try it.
Here's
the bathroom.
We've got the molding to put around the ceiling.
Molding, we're going to put some molding up there.
That's it. This is
This is a new vanity.
New vanity. Looks like the old one.
Bathroom. Here's the potty mo. Look at this ceramic job. Beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful? Oh, did you show them the light fixture in the kitchen? New light.
Oh, the light fixture up there?
Yeah, that's new.
Okay. I think we'll be able to see that if I... Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
What if you turn the lights on?
Turn the light off.
Try it. There's the new light fixture.
Okay. That's enough of the new light. We're going to put the clock over the sink. Yeah, we have to put lights under by the sink and by the stove yet.
Everything is there. Here's Grandpa sleeping in here.
Sleeping. Yeah, he is. Those